Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Audi A6 headlights. First, let's get your car ready. Park your Audi A6 on a flat surface, precisely 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is set correctly, as this impacts the car's stance and headlight aim. Then, open your hood and find the two adjustment screws on the back of each headlight unit. Now, let's prepare your aiming target on the wall. Measure the exact height from the ground to the center of each headlight lens. Transfer these measurements to the wall using masking tape to create horizontal lines. Next, measure the distance between the centers of your two headlights. Mark two vertical lines on the wall, aligning with each headlight's center. With your marks in place, it's time to adjust the vertical aim. You'll find one screw on each headlight specifically for vertical adjustment. Turn this screw to raise or lower the light beam. For optimal safety and visibility, aim the sharp horizontal cutoff of your low beam exactly 2 inches below the horizontal tape line you made. Adjust one headlight at a time for best results. Finally, let's fine-tune the horizontal aim. Locate the second adjustment screw on each headlight, which controls the side-to-side movement. Adjust this screw so the brightest part of the beam aligns perfectly with the vertical mark for that headlight. Once both headlights are adjusted, take your Audi A6 for a test drive on a dark road to confirm the beams are correctly aimed and provide excellent visibility without blinding oncoming drivers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.